Hi, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to do multi-level sort, and you will do multi-level sort if you want to sort a table by several columns. And what I mean by several columns is you want to sort and sub-sort a table by several columns. Where do you access this feature? You can go to the data menu and to the sort command or the sort button. Alternatively, you can right click on the table, click on sort, and click on custom sort. But what do we mean by multi-sort? Let's take a look at an example here. Here I have a table, and as you can see, this table is sorted by department. Apparel here as the first department, food, and then comes kitchen, and then comes toiletry. Now, if you take a look at the next column, the reorder level for apparel, for example, you can see that it starts with the highest reorder level and goes down to the lesser ones. But when you get to food, you can see that it restarts from the highest reorder level again and then goes down to the lesser ones. Similarly, when it gets to the kitchen, you can see that it restarts from the highest reorder level and it goes down to the lesser ones. So what this table has is basically a sorting by department and a subsort by reorder level. And you can go to as many column levels as you want. So how do you do this? Let's take a look. So this is the same table except that there is no sorting done on this table yet. So I want to sort by department and subsort by reorder level. To do that, I can select the whole table. But if your table is contiguous, then you can just click inside the table. Just place the selection inside the table. Click on data. So step number 2 is to click on data. Step number 3, click on the sort button or the sort command. You will get this dialog box. Let me just zoom in. Right. At this moment in time, it's sorted by inventory ID, but I want to sort by department. So drop down, click department, and here I can choose the order. In this case, I'll just go from A to Z. Click on add level, drop down, and then click on reorder level. And over here, maybe I want it to be from largest to smallest. So I'm sorting by department and sub-sorting by reorder level. Okay, once I've configured what I want, just click on the OK button. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the department is sorted in alphabetical order from apparel right down to food, right down to kitchen. And if you look at the reorder level, it's basically from the highest to the lower reorder levels, and food as well, it restarts from the highest to the lower reorder levels as it goes down. So that's how you sort a table by several columns or sorting and subsorting. Now, as a final note, sometimes when you go into the data menu and into the sort button, you see nothing here. For example, like this. So when you see nothing, you can just click on add level to configure your first level sorting. In our case, it's department and so on. So that's just a final note in case you go into the dialog box and you see totally nothing inside this dialog box. So that's it, folks. That's how you sort a table by multiple columns. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, leave some comments for this video, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified of any new videos that I'll add to my channel.